What is your name?
My name is Sam.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
What do you do?
I am a student. Say your job or profession.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to draw for fun.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings. No, I do not have siblings.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and chicken.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married. No, I am not married.
What time is it?
It is 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 1234567.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 pets, a cat and a dog.
What day is it today?
Today is Sunday.
What is the weather like today?
The weather is hot and sunny.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Fast 5.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel. No, I do not love to travel.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar. No, I cannot.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have any allergies. Yes, I am allergic to nuts.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Have you ever been to France?
Yes, I have been to France. No, I have not.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. No, I do not enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 3 children. No, I do not have children.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. No, I cannot swim.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Halo by Beyoncé.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance. No, I do not like to dance.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I have been on a plane. No, I have never been on a plane.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the beach on Saturday and visit my mother on Sunday.